to activate Badoo Premium for free, you can try the following steps. First, open the Badoo app and navigate to your account by tapping your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once there, click on the gear icon at the top right to access account settings. Scroll down to find the Delete Account option and select it. After clicking on Delete Account, confirm your choice by proceeding through the on-screen prompts. You may need to provide a reason for leaving. Choose any option that applies to you and continue. At this stage, some new users may see a pop-up offer for a free trial of Badoo Premium. Keep in mind that this does not appear for all users, especially if your account is older. However, if your account is relatively new, the offer may be available, providing you with access to Badoo Premium for a limited time. If the pop-up does not appear, it means the free trial is not offered to your account. This trick is currently one of the few methods to potentially activate Badoo Premium without paying. If you encounter the offer, enjoy your free trial. If not, this feature is likely unavailable for your account.